We are currently on the monitoring page of the maintenance module. By clicking on the performance monitoring button, a new tab with a monitoring tool will be opened. This tool measures and calculates statistics on an application's actual operation, depending on the usage of the application by users. It is mainly based on statistics of requests and evolution charts. One of the most important statistics you can measure under performance monitoring is the number of active HTTP sessions during a predefined period. You can preview the statistics report containing the number of concurrent users. You can see on the picture the statistics of monitoring taken on the exact date and the exact time divided by categories. After choosing the HTTP Sessions 1 day option, you can see the report that shows the number of HTTP sessions per day. One HTTP session is equivalent to the one signed-in user. There are the following actions available with the HTTP Sessions report. Return back returns you to the monitoring home page. Return to the monitoring page. Update the chart. Display reports in PDF format. Display online help on a new page. Opens the help of a monitoring tool. Download the monitoring tool on your computer. One more option is available, and that is that you can change the period you will preview the report. You can choose day, preview daily statistics report. Week, preview weekly statistics report. Month, preview monthly statistics report. Year, preview yearly statistics report. All, preview the report of all periods. Customized, select the period from date to date to show the report. By deployment, choose the version of a system to preview to report. To preview a report, click the View HTTP Session link. You can see the following columns in the report. Session ID, the identification number of a session. Last access, the moment when the user accessed the session. Age, represents the duration of the session. Expiration, the exact time when the session expires. IP address, represents the IP address of a user. Country, the location of the user signed in the HTTP session. Browser, the browser from which the user started the session. OS, the operating system of a user's computer. You can perform the following actions as well. Return back. Update the table. Display the report in PDF format. Invalidate the HTTP sessions.